and it's just so heavy. It is a beast piece of machinery. I mean, look at this beefy boy.
We got beef.
I'm really excited to open the RotoBoss ASCEND. So I've been using a RotoBoss for about 3 years now. I think they came out in 2019, and I picked up one for my brother when I bought his laser behind me, this guy. And it was made of plastic, acrylic, and it had some metal pieces, but was mainly acrylic. And I've been really excited to see how they've progressed with their designs and capabilities. And especially the fact that they're all metal means they're going to be even stronger and able to endure even longer. So money well spent. So the RotoBoss currently goes for about $1,200, and it's one of the newest pieces that's come out of their lineup, and they've also got a couple new things coming out soon. But I'm really excited for this. The reason I bought it was because I do lots of different types of tumblers and glassware and random kinds of things that people send me, and this rotary has no tower to get in the way of the laser head. So basically this can pretty much do anything, and it has a scissor lift for more precise placement too. So lots of things. Let's dig into it and take a look. So the box was really nice when it got here, very easily packed. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed when I opened this was that there was the styrofoam inside, and it was really thick, like form-fitting styrofoam. And after talking with Jason, it's actually a really cool quality packaging material that he has, where basically they insert a tube into the bag and they actually put it on top of the roller, and it form fits to the roller, so nothing is moving. So a couple of little pieces of paper in here too to kind of help keep it from moving around too much. And so one of the first things you see is this box with all of the different RotoBoss attachment extra gears. Cool box is the only rotary you'll ever need. One of the things that you'll see is there's a really cool device for measuring the diameter of an item, and there's also a rotary level and even more decals. So lots of goodies in this bag. Don't skip it. Don't throw anything away. Yep, then you've got your gummy bears. Good stuff. Now again, you'll notice the styrofoam at the bottom, but we'll get back to that. So there's the RotoBoss bag, and always make sure you check inside of that because there's a really cool shirt. Pretty sweet. Represent the rotary game. And Jason actually modeled that off the Texaco logo. Not modeled it after, but he tried to mimic it, so it looks pretty cool. Really retro. And here is this beautiful machine coming out. Look at the shine coming off all of the metal aluminum. Holy cow. Really stable. You can see the width in my right hand there. Really cool. So one of the first things you'll notice is that there's the 4-pin standard aviation plug-in. You've got the stepper motor, got a scissor lift. So when you're using it in your machine, it's going to sit this way. So you've got your scissor lift that helps it go vertically up and down. And so you've got the backing wheel to help you with that. You've got a thumb screw that helps assist with that, stopping the walking going on. What's really cool is as you tighten that down and loosen it up, it'll actually hold it in place to lock it, or it'll let it slide. And so the nice thing is, no matter what, the tension spring will hold that item in place that you've got there. For me, I actually used it the next day after I got it to do a water bottle, and it was amazing. I was able to just pop it in. Never had to mess with any of the plastic wheels I've made in the past that I've 3D printed to adjust for that. I was just able to pop it in and go. Now, on the old units, you used to have a worm rod that you would have to spin, and on this one, you now just have a thumb screw that you crank it down and tighten it up, and it's pretty much locked in place, or much more difficult to move, or you can loosen it up and slide it really quickly and easily. You'll notice that I keep moving it around because it does not move. Something else you'll notice is the magnetic feet on the bottom. Really strong magnets. I mean, look at this beefy boy. And that's not me doing any tricks with the lighting. The machine metal is just gorgeous, man. So from left to right, you've got the clip made from billet aluminum. It's got the standard wheel on, and it also has the larger wheel for the larger things that you might be working on. Water bottles, dog bowls, anything else that you need to go further in and have some more grip on the item. You'll notice, yep, the vertical adjustment here is pretty sweet. Really nice. There's no tower above this. The tension spring with the backing plate actually just comes off, so the standard tower backing plate is gone. And so you can take that off by removing that. And basically, if you had anything like a baseball bat or a rolling pin, any type of longer item, you can go right past it. Pretty sweet. So one more thing you can do for the more odd items in your shop. Again, really quick and easily, you just release the thumb screw. And it slides super nice and quick and easy. Lock it in place. With the magnetic feet, like it's really not going anywhere. Super well thought out, very well built. And it's just so heavy. It is a beast piece of machinery. So I'm going to do a quick share of the item on the website so you can see some of the different things if you're interested, and reach out to find out anything you might need to know. So rotaryattachments.com takes us here, and one of the first things that you see is the Ascend. So for $1,200, you've got the RotoBoss 2.0, also another roto attachment that's pretty cool. But for me and what I needed, this seemed like the better fit. And so you can see right here, it says it has a completely unobstructed pass-through. The clamping system and rear wheel stop system are removed. So this is what I was trying to show you guys. The original RotoBoss has the rear wheel stop system. So this can engrave longer objects that go beyond the length of the rotary without the need for clamps and a balancing act. Those strong magnets on the bottom make it easy to grip and hold, and this can actually go past the unit itself. The tower was scrapped for a modified scissor lift that will remove the concern of striking the tower with the head. There's a no tower setup, which makes it a better fit for lasers with smaller heads. It allows you to do a wider variety and size of objects while never worrying about hitting the gantry. The stop can be set in a fixed depth position or left to right on the spring tension to absorb any movement due to objects having imperfections. The design of this stop will reduce friction, help prevent binding, and holding your object securely. So that's everything in the box, and I'm really excited to get to use it. I'll post some videos of some items that I make with it. I literally just got done using the rotary that I bought 4 years ago for hopefully the last time for a while. For anyone struggling with the price of $1,200, remember, this is an investment. You're buying a tool to go with a $10,000 plus laser, so it needs to be of equal quality. Not only does this machine give you the ability to create a new type of product, but it also gives you repeatability and consistency. Those are the things that make quality items continue to stay quality as you progress through a 100 or 200 cup order. So consider it an investment instead of an expense. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you've been looking at getting one, take a look at the links below. So from all of us at Laser Everything, see you in the next one.